Adobe releases its most recent AI upgrades. The way designers work is about to change because to Adobe's new AI features, which are focused on boosting creativity, optimizing workflows, and providing great visual experiences. We'll go into Adobe's fascinating new AI upgrades in this blog post and examine how they might provide designers unprecedented power to realize their designs. 1. Intelligent Content Aware Fill. The Intelligent Content Aware Fill is one of the most notable aspects of Adobe's AI upgrade. With a few clicks, designers can now quickly delete undesirable items or elements from photos. A natural and appealing result is produced as a result of the AI algorithm's sophisticated analysis of the surrounding content and seamless filling in of the gaps. Designers benefit from the feature's significant time and effort, allowing them to focus on the creative aspects of their projects.